In the area of discrimination in employment, there are lots of entities with initials. And one of the big entities with initials is the EEOC, which is the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. It's a nationwide agency. It has offices all over the country. The closest office to us is down on Whitehall Street in New York City. And to assert a federal claim of discrimination in court, you must take the preliminary step of filing a claim of discrimination with the EEOC. Up until recently, the EEOC took little action on most claims that were filed. The EEOC has 180 days to investigate your complaint, but never had sufficient staff to investigate the complaint, at least in our experience. After 180 days, the EEOC can advise you that they can't get to your complaint. They may issue a notice of right to sue. Your attorney or you may ask for a notice of right to sue before that 180-day period is up. And at that juncture, you can go to federal court within 90 days and you assert in your complaint that you have you've duly filed your complaint with the EEOC. That is an allegation that you must make in your federal complaint to assert a federal claim of discrimination. Recently, we are seeing the EEOC actually fulfilling what was one of its designated functions, which is attempting to mediate the complaints before they ever get to federal court. And in our office, we have had, in the last number of weeks, 2 mediations with a federal mediator, an experienced employee of the EEOC who actually came to White Plains, sat with the parties, with the attorneys for a day, and actually resolved those disputes in favor of the employees prior to ever having to file in federal court. We are seeing frequently now the employers' lawyers wanting to have that mediation, which is really a change, and we have a number of mediations that are actually scheduled in the next couple of months. So we are thinking now that the EEOC may be the avenue of resolution as opposed to what it used to be, which was an avenue to file and wait before you could go to federal court.